We're here at my house. What's up, everybody? Sheesh. Welcome back to today's video. I'm Zach, and you're with the Zach fam today. So it's at night right now. Outside, my sister. She go back inside with Owie. She tripped over. Oh wow, she got back. Anyway guys, it's more time for us to see these fireworks. GUYFORKES Day tomorrow. I have no idea what GUYFORKES Day is. Comment down below if you know what it is. Comment down below. Remember to smash the subscribe button. Hit the like button. It really helps out the channel if you do. So yeah guys, if you hear the background noises, right now there's cars going by. And I'll turn on the camera once there's fireworks. There are these like some red lights or something like that. They look like Christmas lights, but I just think that they're cool because like they kind of look like they're fireworks. But like, let's just try and see. Oh, we got. Go boom, 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 boom. In between the trees. Wait, yo, what? Where was that? Dude. Where was that? I thought I saw some. They must have gone away, dudes. And girls. I can still hear them. If you guys can hear them, comment down below if you guys can hear them. I still have no idea where they are. I need to get back around the station. Whoa, what was that? I can hear sparkles going on. So guys, no luck maybe tonight. Who knows? No luck for now. I can hear sparkles going on, but I can't leave the house. Let's go. Oh, there's a heli. There's a chopper. If you guys can see that, that's a chopper. Holy damn, what was that? What was that, guys? I think I just heard a firework. Where was that? Where was that? What the? Oh, yo! Look at that! Look, sparkles! We found some! Look at that! That's a side bodies! Look at that! We have luck! Look at this! Insane, dudes! Where was that? That's all the luck we got. Yo, comment down below if you enjoyed watching that. I definitely did. Remember to subscribe. It really will help a lot. Yo! What was that? Oh! Woo! Look at that. I think that was it. Yo, that was insane. Yo, what was that? Yo, I think there's like works over here somewhere. Yep. There you go. Woohoo! Yo! I think that's it again. Oh, look, the truck is back. The truck is back. Maybe after lockdown and maybe after I got no COVID no more. Maybe we can do a video if you want to go Rainbow's End. Comment down below if you guys want to come Rainbow's End in a couple of weeks when lockdown eases. Man, that helicopter close. Where is that? I can hear stuff, but it's not appearing. Where was that? Oh yo, right there! I think we just missed it. Yo, that is insane. Look at that. Where's that chopper? Got him again. That chopper's bad. My dude's bad. Look at these cars. Oh, you're on YouTube. Bruh. I don't know what to say anymore. GUYFORKES tomorrow. Oh, more work. There's more work. There's more work, guys. Don't know. They're gone now. Sad. Please come back. Come back. Come back. Comment down below. Comment down below if you want them to do more fireworks. Anyway, guys, we're too sick to go anywhere. Plus, that's all we can do is just watch our neighbors do fireworks. But anyway, that's gonna be the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a comment on what video or what you guys want to recommend for a video to do next. Here's some more work. I think it's gone now. Anyway, guys, remember to smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace. Me out.